Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, I'm early on time watch reviews. I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of a throwback video. You saw from the title, there was a time when I received a bar of Palmolive in my watch box instead of the watch that I ordered. Now this is back over a year ago. I still have the watch. It was an Orient Bambino 4. And when I opened the box, I was really upset that there wasn't a watch in it. And I was like, what? You know, and at any rate, after I was upset, I just started to laugh about it. And it was like 1:30 a.m. I went on Instagram Live, and then I did a YouTube Live as well. But because it was a live video, it didn't get a lot of traction on my channel. And so I thought what I would do is just re-show you the experience that I had in getting a bar of Palmolive soap instead of the Orient Bambino that I had ordered. Now, thankfully, I contacted Amazon, and in fact, you'll see in the video, I was already on the customer support online chat with Amazon to get this thing rectified, but it was just a really funny experience, and I just wanted to reshare it. So here it goes, check it out. Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's early in the morning. I'm really mad, but I have to laugh as well. I posted a picture of this, but I kid you not, I was so excited to get my first Orient watch. And I gotta show you how this came. This was sealed. It says warranty void if removed, the sticker here. The box was sealed. I gotta see. And I'm waiting to get home to open this thing. Now I just gotta see what's going on. So I opened the package, okay? Gosh. And you know, you get your warranty international. You get your international warranty. Awesome. Okay. You get your mechanical watch automatic, you know, instruction manual. And then, okay, I kid you not, you saw the picture. So I open up the box, and there's this pillow inside the box, no watch on it. And then, okay, I get this package here, and I thought, oh, that's kind of weird. They wrap the watch in this weird packaging. I got a bar of frickin' Palmolive soap. Well, I'll smell good tomorrow morning. I'm talking to the Amazon rep here now. Look. I don't know if you can see it. He's like, Chris, are you still there? I got to type back. He says, yes, replacement needed and shipped expedited, please. Immediately. Amazon, I went on. I'm talking to a guy named Marvin on Amazon chat right now. And, oh my goodness, they're saying a replacement watch is coming. And so yeah, I was squeaky clean for about a month after that. And one of the other really memorable things, funny things, was my pal Watchwit and a lot of you know WatchWit. He travels a lot and he brings his own soaps with him, and so he sent me some pictures on Instagram, and he said, here's the white dial version, and it was a bar of dial. And so, yeah, because it's not on my actual videos tab on my channel, and just kind of in a, you know, a long feed of Instagram videos or whatever, just thought I wanted to reshare this experience with you because I thought it was quite funny. So I hope you enjoyed it. Would be very interested to see what your experiences have been like with packages that you have received where there's been some mishaps. Leave me a comment below. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to have a really great piece to wear on your wrist, like this Timex Waterbury chronograph, which I will be reviewing very, very soon. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to get there on time. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next one.